What you saying, guys? It's your boy at Ben Banks with another video. Today, guys, we are back on it. Sean Wotherspoon has confirmed a second wave, guys, of his shoe. Obviously, earlier this year we got the yellow Wotherspoons that sold out in seconds, and it was just mad. And the resale, it's not stale at all, but the resale is up there, guys. And yeah, it's just out there selling for P right now. So if you guys don't follow him on Instagram, he did go ahead and leak some images of a second version that is coming out of the shoe. So he's going to bring out a new wave, so basically a second part of the shoe. So you obviously got the standard Nike Air Max 97, as always, keeping it real. And then you've got the new colours, guys. And if I will put it on screen right now, have a little look at that, have a little dabble on that. Let me know what you think. It looks alright. I don't wear blue or white, but it is one of those ones. If I can get my hands on these shoes, I will be going for it just for the resale. Because let me go ahead and check right now for you guys the resale of the first Wotherspoons. I can't even say it right. It sounds like we're saying Wetherspoons. We're not going down Wetherspoons for a pint. We're going to talk about the shoe. But anyway, you're not from the UK, you're not going to understand that, boys. But give me 1 second, because apparently it doesn't want to load for me, does it now? Here we go. We're making plays. And it still doesn't want to work for me, but it's all good, guys. There's no rush into these videos because I always get called out for literally talking too quick. So I don't want to talk too quick because I don't want to get you guys triggered. So right, guys, the Air Max 197, Air Max 97 Sean Wotherspoons is selling for right now. This minute is selling for $600, boys. That is a hefty bit of money. I'm not sure what the retail price is for this, but it's definitely making a good flip there, guys. So if you guys didn't know, I just told you the picture's been on screen. He can basically confirm that these are coming out. I'm not sure if he put a release date. I will read what he said right now. First pick at the second wave, still early on the simple progress, and there's a lot that's going to change. Oh, so it's going to change, as you guys can read. But this is what we've got so far, so have a little look. I'm thinking of add some colours to the sole, make the air bubble inflated. I don't even know what it says. Got to change the sock liner to yellow, maybe a new colour in the sole, fix the denim on the tabs, and do a gradient from the light to dark blue instead of light blue. There we go. The new patches should include with this pair. I couldn't be happier holding these babies in my hand. Can't wait to see the final sample. So much more dope night shit to talk about. Can't wait to tell everyone. Wave emoji. So there you go. That's what he said, guys. I ain't no reader, I ain't no English teacher, but that is what he said. So we basically do know now, guys, that we're getting a second wave. So basically the Wotherspoons part number 2 is coming out, guys. So we had the yellow one, as I just talked about, and it's still selling for a lot of money, and a lot of people still want the shoe. If I could get that shoe, I'd wear it 100%. It's looking nice. But yeah, the second shoe is also looking very nice, guys. I will go ahead and try to I will keep you guys updated. So quickly right now, press that big red subscribe button, and I will keep you updated on about all the information, when it's going to release, how you can cop it, and where you can cop it when we get more information, guys. But this is still in early production stages, so we have not got any more information yet, you know what I'm saying? So as soon as I find out more information, I'll tell you guys straight away. I keep you in the loop, so subscribe, turn your notifications on, and I always keep you guys up to date with all the new sneaker clothing news. But yeah, so we're getting a second wave of the shoe. That's basically what I wanted to tell you today in today's video, guys, and it's looking fly, and it's just going to make a lot of money. So that's why I'm here. I'm here to make the money, boys. So yeah, we're going to go ahead and try to get the shoe when it does come out. But that is the first look at it. My first opinion is baby blue is not really me, but I'll take it for resale if I have to. I might still wear it. But anyway, that's enough rambling. It's been your boy Ben Banks. As always, guys, do drop a like. It takes 2 seconds out of your day. You know you haven't already, so just drop a like. It means a lot. Drop a like. Subscribe to the channel if you are new. That'd be insane as well. But yeah, guys, I'll be back with another video very, very soon to your faces. So have a nice day. Hope you're all having a good day, and peace out.